Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna show you how to make another extremely amazing immunity boosting tea. So let's begin. First we need turmeric, which will act as an antioxidant and also help you boost your immunity. Next we need black pepper, 5 or 4 black peppers. This will take care of the sore throat you get due to cold or flu. And next we need mint, which will help in refreshing you. And then we need chopped ginger, 1 inch. Next we need lemon zest. This is the most important part of this tea. This lemon zest is very rich in vitamin C, more rich than lemon. So you must make sure that you're only using the yellow part. You must avoid the white part of it, this white part of it, as much as you can, because it will make your tea very bitter in taste. So you must take only the yellow part and avoid the white part as much as possible. So this is the most important part of this, and now we'll be giving it down. And I also have lemon juice and honey. That depends on how sweet you want it to be. Well, you can choose the best honey you can find in your area. In Riyadh, the Langanese honey is the best. So if you have natural honey, that's the best one. So try to find the best honey you can. And then we also need 3 cups of water. Now let's begin. I'll be pouring 3 cups of water. And then I'll be adding 4 mint leaves, peppers, ginger, also turmeric powder. I've also added the zest in this already, and now I'm going to be boiling it. Now leave it till it boils properly. And you also must stir it again and again so that all the properties in it should mix thoroughly in the water. This tea is extremely beneficial. It's very beneficial. It refreshes you, improves your immunity, and make sure you have a good day. Okay, it's boiling right now. I'll just be giving it a good stir. Must boil it till 3 cups of water turn into 2 cups. So till that boils completely, I will be preparing our cups. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice or lemonade. Now I think it's done. I'm just gonna give it a good stir before I turn off the flame. It looks like it has turned into 2 cups, so I'll be turning off the flame. And now it's time to pour it in the cups. It smells really good. I'm just gonna give it a good mix. Remember that this tea is extremely beneficial. It's very good for you. It refreshes you, and I recommend this taking 2 times a day. You can drink any tea you want. This is only one of our teas. Just remember to avoid the white part of the lemon, which will make the tea bitter in taste. And now it's done, and it's fantastic, and this is how it is. Now we'll be showing you how to make a second drink, and that is almond milk. First, I've roasted the almonds, and now I'm going to be adding 4 cardamoms and half teaspoon saffron, and now I'll be grinding it. After I've grinded it, I'm gonna add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and here I've also added more half teaspoon of saffron. I've accidentally deleted it while editing this. And now after I've given it a good mix, I'm gonna add some milk powder. This will be around 1 cup of milk powder. I'm gonna give it a more good mix. We have made this specially for children, which will help boost their immunity because children don't drink tea. So only we have made this Bonvita or Complan type powder for you and your children. If your child likes to drink sweet, because this does not add any taste to the milk, so if they like sweet, you can add a little sugar to it or even a little bit of honey depending on how sweet he likes. Now I have warmed the milk and I'm going to be pouring it in the mug. I have already put the powder in the milk. This mug is for me and my brother, the S for me and the Q for my brother. Now we're gonna drink this because it's extremely healthy, it boosts our immunity, and it's really tasty. My brother likes it a little sweet, so we did add a little sugar for him, but I just like to drink it the way it is, so I didn't. And that's how you make this amazing immunity boosting milk powder for your children. Please add this to your daily routine to keep yourself and your children healthy. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.